away. 1 ball and 2 strikes with 1 out in the top half of the 6th inning. First of 3 games until we hit the All-Star break. The 1-2, Taylor swings, hits it in the air to deep left. Williams is back on the track, and Taylor leaves the yard. Trent Taylor, his 2nd on the season, and it's 4-2 in the top of the 6th. 96.3 mile an hour off of an 87 mile an hour pitch. So with that, Taylor extends his hitting streak to 8 games in emphatic fashion, and his on-base streak to 10 games, and that brings up Nilo Rijo, who takes a strike on